So, hello guys, how are you? Here you can see on Buffalo, the child, and also you can see here these two buffaloes are drinking water. Yeah, you can see both of these. So, they both are too hungry. Hungry mean thirsty. Hungry also. After drink this water, these both will go to here to eat some food. These couple of are also waiting for their food. So you can see here, these two are still drinking water. Yeah, there is a water pump machine. Here you can see. This is a blackberry plant. Creamy. These are the hens. And here is one donkey. You can see here. Fog is everywhere. Yeah, you can see here. You can see here. They both still standing here and drinking water. You can check here. I think the other one is full. No, no, no. Yeah, she's still. Chi, chi, chi. That's how we call, you know, okay, Allah Hafiz.